Hello, very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now, and top of this broadcast, we are tracking developments coming in from the Mahakumbh Mela, where a fire has broken out at one of the tents. Understandably, it has led to chaos. But as we speak, within minutes, 30 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. The fire, the blaze has now been brought under control. You can see the contrast in the two images that are playing out on your screens right now. On the left-hand side of your screen is the tent where that fire broke out. The preliminary information that is emerging from grounds suggests that this could have been because of a couple of cylinders exploding. Remember, these tents have arrangements made for cooking food for those who are staying there. There are bhandaras, there are langars that are going on. On the other side, you see within minutes of the first information coming in of a fire breaking out, we have fire being doused. There are local volunteers. There were 30 fire tenders who were rushed to the spot. My colleagues on the ground are getting us all the developments. So, Rishabh, what more can you add to the information? While we'll get our reporters to get us some more details over there, you can see the visuals that are playing out on your screens of the fire that initially broke out. The cops have now come out to give a statement. They say that this fire broke out at around 4 p.m. It was near a railway bridge where one cylinder is said to have exploded. This is the ADG Bhanu Bhaskar who is giving out the official version.
कंट्रोल किया गया वो अपने आप में बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक है। पूरी तैयारी के साथ हमारे फायर फाइटर्स की टीम, देखिए मैं यहीं पर मौजूद हूँ ग्राउंड जीरो से हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। आप हटिए, अच्छा हटिए, देखिए ये तस्वीरें, देखिए ये तस्वीरें आप देखिए जहाँ फायर फाइटर्स की टीम लगातार काम कर रही है। इतनी मुस्तैदी से हमारी टीम जो काम कर रही है वो दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है कि कैसे इतनी जल्दी इस आग पर काबू पाया गया। और ये बताता है कि कितना बेहतरीन होमवर्क ये जो टीमें हैं वो पहले से करके इन्होंने रखा हुआ था और पूरी मुस्तैदी की वजह से ही आग इतनी तेजी के साथ जो फैली, उतनी तेजी के साथ इसे कंट्रोल कर लिया गया। बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट उसी लोकेशन पर हम मौजूद है। टाइम्स ऑफ भारत की सिर्फ इकलौती टीम है यहाँ पर जो आपको ये तस्वीरें दिखा रही है। देखिए अब धुएं को भी पूरी तरह से खत्म करने की जो कोशिश है वो टीमों की तरफ से की जा रही है। धुआं अब बस थोड़ा थोड़ा निकल रहा है। आग पूरी तरह से बुझ चुकी है और हम आ चुके हैं ठीक उस लोकेशन पर जहां आग तेजी के साथ फैली और अब आग बुझा ली गई है। बहुत जल्दी आप लोगों ने आग पर काबू पाया। किस तरह से ये आपने आग?
तब भी सर, ये फायर सर्विस के लिए हम कर्मचारी, इसके लिए हमें ट्रेनिंग दी गई, सीख लिया है और इसको आगे कंट्रोल कर लिया गया है। अब कोई यहाँ हादसा नहीं हुआ है, न कोई चीज बचा गया है। बहुत
तो ये देखिए तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। जो लोग, ये लड़का जो है हम आपको दिखाते हैं, ये हीरो आप कह सकते हैं। उस लड़के ने देखिए कैसे अपनी जान की परवाह न करते हुए फौरन खबर दी, लोगों को बाहर निकाला। क्या बताइए
मैम, यहाँ पे आग लगी।
Right, so our reporter on the ground there, right where this cylinder is said to have exploded. The first official version has also come out. Like I was telling our viewers earlier, there was a cylinder blast that took place near a railway bridge. My colleague Rishabh is back on the line with us while the fire has been controlled. Rishabh, are there any casualties?
So you can see, Priya, right now on ground, what you are seeing right now are the members of Fire Department of Uttar Pradesh, the UP Fire Services, as well as the NDRF, SGRF, the Rapid Action Forces. All of them are here who are right now trying to douse this fire. What we are given to understand that around 4 p.m. this evening, the fire began in one of the kitchens of this akhada, and that led to engulfment of the whole area. And you can see the ruins right now. Nothing is left. We can confirm to our viewers that we heard the cylinders being exploded. That has now been confirmed by the authorities on ground as well. As of now, there hasn't been any report on whether anyone was injured or has there been any casualty. The authorities maintain that it will later be seen. Right now, the focus is on dousing the fire here. You can see the senior officials of UP Police, UP Fire Services coming out here. Sir, how much time will it take? Sir, how many fire tenders are here?
More than 20.
More than 20. And sir, any casualty? So you can see more than 25 tenders is what we are given to understand by the officials. I'll ask my camera person to show you a 360 view. The authorities are also trying to look at the whole area using the drones as well. All the people who were here were removed instantly by the authorities. The authorities were swift to address the initial fire tenders, reached quite within like 4 to 5 minutes of the fire, but the fire was such that and the area was such that more and more fire tenders were required, Priya. And now you can see on the other side as well toward Ganga, where the smoke is still coming out. There are few here and there flames that are left, so we cannot say that the fire has been doused as of now. There are few flames here and there that can be still seen here. Right now the cooling process of the whole area, as the fire services call it, is happening, and you can see around you right now the commotion. Authorities ensuring that everything is under control as soon as possible. Over to you.
Nath has himself taken stock of the situation. He has been speaking to the top officials earlier in the day. He was there. Yes, you're speaking to the people around. Listen in.
For UPFS, sir, how do you see this fire? What was the reason?
In fact, it was because of the blast in the cooking cylinder. There were 3 cylinders there, and there were barrack type hotments were there. In 8, they were in longitude row. So one of the cylinder blasted, and it was followed by other cylinders blasted. So fire got out of control in no time. So UP Fire Services tenders were rushed, and we brought it under control. There is no human casualty, and the adjacent, all the camps have been saved because of the urgent action by the department, and there is no human loss.
So any estimate on how many people were there in this camp which has been affected?
Well, it's a floating population. We can't say how many people could have been there, but by rough estimate, there could have been 30-40 people around.
So can we now say safely that the fire has been doused?
Yeah, fire
cooling process is
doused.
on.
Yeah, exactly. And we are looking for, if there is somebody trapped or some human remains is not there, we are just cross-checking it.
So you heard it